Hi everyone, this is Sen and welcome to my channel or welcome to our channel. And guys, first of all, I want to thank everyone who supported my channel and who accidentally came and subscribe and watch my videos. Thank you very much. And again guys, please, for those who are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and to click the notification bell so that if I have a new video, you will be notified. And tonight, guys, I'm going to react again to our dear Dimash kudaibergen for his song Adagio. Adagio. I don't know if I pronounce correctly, but it's adagio. Adagio, yeah. And for those who doesn't know yet, who is Dimash? Guys, Dimash is a Kazakh singer from Kazakhstan, and he is very young, born on May 24, 1994. And to let you know, guys, he is very handsome, and he is a singer, a songwriter, and a multi-instrumentalist, and his parents are well-known and honored singer of Kazakhstan also. And now, guys, we are now going to watch the performance of Dimash kudaibergen. His song is Adagio. And wait lang at gusto ko kasi meron akong, I want to have a headset. And I have my
don't know where to find you. I don't know how to reach you. I hear your voice in the rain. I feel you under my skin. Within my heart and my soul, I wait for you. Adagio. How did I without you? All my dreams surround you. I see any touch your face. I'm falling to your embrace. When the time is out, I know you'll be my arms. Adagio. Close my eyes and then away. But it won't be too late. I won't survive. Nothing more to explain. I know I got to wait. It's another to leave my heart. Said to give me your love, forever
So high.
So this is the birth of mine. No, 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 no. To let this around. This is what it meant to say. Said to believe, and to believe. You want the
And again, guys, I'm speechless with his performance again. And if you will check the video in the YouTube, you will see that the viewers is almost 4 million above with this song. And guys, you know, he is a very talented, blessed singer, and very handsome, of course. And if you are thinking where his voice came, I don't know, because it's a very talented guy. He is very good looking and very nice and very high voice. And okay, guys, thank you very much for watching my video, and please support again my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe and to push the notification bell so that if I have a new video, you will be notified. And again, thank you very much, and God bless. Bye.